Welcome to quiz time. 10 questions. Let's see how many you can get right. Question 1. What is the largest bird? A. Ostrich. B. Andean condor. C. Emperor penguin. D. Great bustard. The answer is A. Ostrich. Ostriches are flightless and can run up to 43 miles per hour, making them the fastest birds on land. Question 2. What causes a rainbow? A. Sunlight passing through raindrops. B. Moonlight reflecting off clouds. C. Dust particles in the atmosphere. D. Changes in air pressure. The answer is A. Sunlight passing through raindrops. Rainbows appear when the sun is behind you and rain is in front, bending light into colors. Question 3. What is the largest known star by radius? A. Ui Scuti. B. Betelgeuse. C. Sirius. D. The Sun. The answer is A. Ui Scuti. Ui Scuti is so large, it could encompass Jupiter's orbit if placed at the center of our solar system. Question 4. What animal lives the longest? A. Tortoise. B. Elephant. C. Blue whale. D. Eagle. The answer is A. Tortoise. Some giant tortoises can live for over 150 years, making them one of the longest living land animals. Question 5. What is the fastest bird? A. Peregrine falcon. B. Ostrich. C. Swift. D. Golden eagle. The answer is A. Peregrine falcon. It can reach speeds over 200 miles per hour during its hunting dive, known as a stoop. Question 6. What is the largest desert? A. Antarctic polar desert. B. Sahara desert. C. Gobi desert. D. Arabian desert. The answer is A. Antarctic polar desert. The Antarctic polar desert covers most of Antarctica and is the coldest desert on Earth. Question 7. What animal has the best memory? A. Elephant. B. Dolphin. C. Chimpanzee. D. Dog. The answer is A. Elephant. Elephants can remember specific locations, other elephants, and humans for decades, aiding their survival. Question 8. What is the brightest star? A. Sirius. B. Betelgeuse. C. Polaris. D. Alpha Centauri. The answer is A. Sirius. Sirius is also known as the dog star and is the brightest star visible in Earth's night sky. Question 9. What is the largest flower? A. Rafflesia arnoldi. B. Titan arum. C. Sunflower. D. Giant water lily. The answer is A. Rafflesia arnoldi. Rafflesia arnoldi is also known as the corpse flower due to its distinct odor of decaying flesh.
Question 10. What animal can fly backwards? A. Hummingbird. B. Bat. C. Dragonfly. D. Bumblebee.
The answer is A. Hummingbird. Hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly forwards, backwards, sideways, and hover. Thanks for playing. Subscribe for more fun quizzes every day.